Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix could not create account. Your account cannot be created at this time issue on your Apple device. So guys, if you are trying to create an account for your Apple device but you're facing this issue and you are unable to create the account, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all open settings and then go to general and then go to software update and update your software to the latest version. So guys, if there is any update available for you like this, simply update your device to the latest version and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then scroll it below and go to date and time and set your date and time. Again, go back and go to language and region, tap on region and select your country or region correctly, and then go back and go to VPN and device management and make sure that there is no connector VPN. Again, go back and go to transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset and reset network settings of your device for one time. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then restart your device for one time. So I simply restart it and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then open any browser and search here for create Apple ID, and from here you have to simply go to appleid.apple.com and wait here for some seconds. So guys, you have to simply select your country or region correctly from here, and then again wait for some seconds, and from here you have to simply tap on this small arrow button and then tap on create your Apple account, and from here try to create your Apple account using this website. So guys, you have to simply give all the details from here, and after this check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then you have to simply go to support app, and from here you can get any kind of help regarding this issue from the Apple team. So guys, hopefully they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.